Hello, this is Kathleen Flynn from the law offices of Kathleen M. Flynn, LLC. We assist children and adults in obtaining Social Security disability benefits before the Social Security Administration and veterans pursuing service-connected veterans benefits on appeals before the Veterans Administration. Today I will be focusing on consultative examinations. A consultative examination is set up by the Social Security Administration with a psychologist or, in most cases, an internist. On rarer occasions, you could be set up for a consultative evaluation with a specialist, such as a neurologist, or if you have an eye disorder, an ophthalmologist. I've been doing this 25 plus years, and very rarely do I see psychiatrists performing consultative psychological or psychiatric exams. So when does the Social Security Administration actually order a consultative mental or physical evaluation? Pursuant to the Code of Federal Regulations, for example for SSI 416-919A, the Social Security Administration would order one of these evaluations if there's an inconsistency in the evidence or there's not enough evidence in the record as a whole to make a determination. Fewer judges are ordering consultative evaluations post-hearing, thankfully, because it delays the case. And this may have to do with COVID-19, but we were seeing fewer post-hearing consultative evaluations ordered before COVID-19. It may be the same judge that prefers to do this because the judge is cynical about the treating source paperwork that was completed, or for whatever other reasons the judge may have. So how long should the consultative evaluation take? If you're getting a psychological evaluation, you could expect anywhere from 20 minutes to 2 hours. For years, we were seeing 3-hour evaluations, but that's changed. I was told that some of these examiners have not received raises in years. Today I had a new client come to the office. She told me that she went in person during the pandemic, and this is the third new client who told me that she went in person to Swanee and only received 20 minutes. 20 minutes is not sufficient to perform a psychological evaluation. So you know how important it is to have your treating source, your own therapist or psychiatrist complete paperwork indicating what your limitations are. Otherwise, you're just left with a 20-minute evaluation if you happen to get one of those examiners who doesn't want to spend much time with you. The client told me that years ago she had a very thorough evaluation, and later her benefits were ceased, and because she was homeless she wasn't able to appeal, so she had to start over. She said the only thing she was asked during this evaluation was to name 3 presidents and to state some serial 7s backwards. So that's very disappointing in terms of thoroughness. As far as a physical evaluation, we're told that the client may receive 5 minutes to a lengthy evaluation would be 15 minutes. And during these physical examinations, the doctor is supposed to perform range of motion testing. We will see the results of this testing and go over it with the client, who will later tell us that most of these range of motions weren't even performed and they were checked off as normal. So to strengthen your case, you really need your own treating therapist or psychiatrist or internist or specialist, whether it's an endocrinologist, a neurologist, a cardiologist, to fill out our paperwork which states what your limitations are. I hope you found this helpful. Stay tuned for other videos. And I hope you have a nice day. If you need help with a child SSI case, or you're an adult who has a Social Security disability case or a veteran service-connected case on appeal, please call the law offices at Kathleen M. Flynn, LLC. We're going to have our information attached to the end of this video. 404-479-4431, 404-479-4431. Thank you.